What happens when off-road power meets 5-star luxury? You get a machine that turns every horizon into home. This is the 2026 Bushline Glide 6x6, a motorhome built to redefine what exploration feels like. It's not your average RV. It's military-grade engineering fused with ultra-modern comfort, designed for those who crave adventure without compromise. Built to balance toughness, innovation, and elegance, the Bushline Glide 6x6 looks like it was born to conquer the wilderness. With angular LED headlights, carbon steel bumpers, and aerodynamic lines, it blends precision with power. Flush-mounted solar panels and panoramic glass complete a futuristic, rugged silhouette. Inside, sustainability meets sophistication. Vegan leather, recycled wood, and brushed aluminum create a refined atmosphere. The cockpit feels more like a spaceship, with a curved OLED display merging navigation, telemetry, and entertainment. A full-size bed, gourmet kitchenette, rainfall shower, and even a climate-controlled wine cabinet turn the wilderness into a private suite. Underneath, a 4.0L twin-turbo diesel hybrid produces 610 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque. Adaptive air suspension and regenerative braking keep every ride powerful yet controlled. The Bushline Command OS manages everything: climate, terrain, energy, through AI automation. A roof-mounted drone dock and solar-fed 30 kWh battery pack make you truly off-grid and independent. Safety is paramount. A titanium-reinforced chassis, adaptive cruise control, and rollover mitigation protect passengers in every condition. Starting at $980,000 and reaching $1.2 million, it's not just a vehicle, it's high-tech adventure architecture built for decades. Bushline's bespoke program allows every unit to be custom-tailored, from battery upgrades to handcrafted interiors. Because adventure isn't about the miles you travel, it's about the life you live between them. The Bushline Glide 6x6 represents freedom. To go anywhere, stay anywhere, and live without limits. It's not just a machine, it's a declaration of independence. Thank you for watching YYD Auto. Drive beyond boundaries, live without limits, and keep your journey rolling strong.